Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen on your Vizio TV. So this is the issue that I had and I was able to fix it. So let me go through some steps that I did so that you can possibly fix it too. So if you're running into a black screen of your Vizio TV, it might be due to a few issues. The first thing that I did was that I actually turned off my Vizio TV and then I actually went ahead and unplugged my TV, okay? So once you unplug your TV, this is the really key thing, guys. You want to make sure that it's unplugged for about a minute or so. During that minute, you want to press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds and after the minute that your TV's been unplugged, go ahead and replug it back in and then turn your TV back on. So once you turn your TV back on, check and see if the black screen now fixes. If you're still encountering a black screen, I still have a few more solutions that you can try out. Now with your Vizio TV remote, you want to click on menu, which is this button right here. And then you want to make sure that your TV is actually connected to a Wi-Fi network. So make sure that your Wi-Fi network is stable. And in order to check this, you can check the network status of your mobile device or your laptop that's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. If it's a Wi-Fi issue, then go ahead and unplug your router for about a minute and then replug it back in. The same exact thing that we did with our Vizio TV. Now, if you're still running into a black screen, the next thing that you can do is that with the same page, click on menu and then scroll down to where it says system. And then next, click on check for updates. So by checking for updates, you're basically making sure that your Vizio TV is up to date with the latest version. So you would just click on yes here. Now the last thing that you can do is that if you're still facing a black screen, you can scroll down to where it says reset and admin and then do a factory reset of your Vizio TV. So what this is going to do is that it's going to restore all your default apps to your Vizio TV, meaning like it's kind of like starting fresh. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a black screen on your Vizio TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.